This is part 2 of our HP stall walkthrough, and here we have Appadurai again.
Hello, welcome back. You're in front of the HP Indigo Solutions in Photo Kinapu and Durai, who will guide for the next 3 minutes to show you the technology which is behind the world-class application that you saw in part 1. What you're in front of is the HP Indigo press 7600, which is one of the fastest selling press for us in India today. This produces really world-class quality in photo albums and photo prints, and it has a very wide variety of features which does not come in the conventional technology. The printing here is done by CMYK, but in this technology we've launched the Light Sign and Light Magenta ink, which is very popular in the photo printing industry. It gives you a far better skin tone, a sky tone. These are really the advanced features. Now I can take you to a machine. This is the basic engine of the machine. I'm sure you will be able to see these presses are not 4 color presses, but they're really 7 color presses. Right? This is very powerful, and the inks that we use in the press is the biggest difference. These are liquid inks which can seep into the paper. This has the lowest possible micron size in printing. This is like offset printing. Offset printing in the world is supposed to be known for the best quality of prints. Today, every good magazine that you see is invariably printed in offset technology, and this liquid ink actually gives us the power to print the best possible photograph. Compared to the rest of the digital technologies which is available, which is total based, which does not show up the character of the paper. Ink gets into the paper, doesn't affect the media. With 4 colors, people can cover only 60% of the gamut which is available in the world. But the moment you go into 7 color process in printing, you actually cover 97% of the gamut which is defined by Pantone. So this press is very widely used in the commercial printing, packaging and the photo industry. Again, this is a very sturdy press for people who were expecting a small size HP tabletop printer. This would be a root shock. This is used in industrial processes. You need about 200 square feet to accommodate this machine, typically at an investment of 4 crores. This machine is built on rock solid iron. People actually stand on this and sometimes do some repairs on top. This can take up to 6,000 sheets of A3 size paper, prints in a speed of 128 pages. I repeat it again, 128 pages in 1 minute. So this is a speed which we could have never imagined in your conventional photo printing or the home printing which is there.
Right.
Again, produces amazing quality, and all the outputs, bit collector and the output cache tray. This can again take about 6,000 sheets. What people actually do is, once the albums are printed, all I have to do is take the printing paper, actually go do the binding, and be ready in about 2.5 hours. We can produce these world-class albums which you see here.
Fantastic. That looks good.
You may not be able to feel the quality again. This is a metallic paper which gets printed of full bleed A3 size.
So edge-to-edge printing is possible?
Edge-to-edge printing is possible. You just need a space for some iron clamps. The image area could be about 12 inches by 18 inches. Could be the image area. Paper size is typically 13 by 19. But again, this is one of the solutions that HP has. When I finish the whole tour, I want to show you some of the product which we actually launched 2 months ago in an exhibition called Drupa, which is the biggest possible size of photo printing today. And I'll show you the album which has been made there.
All these have been printed with the HP Indigo?
All these are printed with the HP Indigo. You will be
fantastic. Just look at these colors.
And look at the range of papers that we can print on. This would be a textured paper, gloss paper, metallic paper. I mean, the choices are really unlimited, so to say.